जय श्री राम टू एवरीवन फ्रॉम द होली लैंड ऑफ अयोध्या। आज प्रभु श्री राम के दर्शन करने के बाद धन्य हो गया एंड थैंक्स टू रियल एसपी डॉक्टर सत्यजीत एंड डॉक्टर मिश्रा who has done a lot of local arrangements. Today I am here to discuss clovage knot, which is a forgotten but useful technique of scleral buckle procedure. In the buckle and cerclage technique of tying two ends of 240 band is a very important step. Proper tightening of the two ends of 240 band is important for obtaining an adequate buckle height. Around 1975, use of basket sleeve was introduced in square buckle procedure for tying the two ends of 240 band. Watchkey sleeves made the process simpler, which could be done without the help of an assistant. Earlier to the arrival of watchkey sleeves, no hitch knot was given. This is also safe, simple and reliable technique of tying the two ends of 240 band. Suture material used for clovage knot is same as that of mattress suture given for scleral buckling. Many surgeons of older generation who are used to clovage knot still use this technique, finding this technique as a safe and easy procedure. Only disadvantage is that you need to have a good assistant who could stretch the two ends of 240 band till it is required for good buckle height, and after that surgeon gives a final clovage knot. Nowadays clovage knot is not commonly used, but it is a very important technique for and which every young PR surgeon must learn, as it provides another useful technique in his armamentarium. Learning this technique can help surgeons in emergency condition. In emergency conditions, when the watchkey sleeve is torn because of poor material or too much stretching, or if it falls to the ground and the surgeon doesn't have a spare one in OT. The knowledge of tying this clovage knot is of great help and will rescue the surgeon in such time of odds. Here is one video. Here you can see the cerclage procedure. You can see the two ends of 240 band, and I am trying to do with the watchkey sleeves. But see, this is torn and this is the second time it is torn. So I have decided to go for the clovage knot. Here the clovage knot is being given. Two circles will be made, one crossing the other. And this is your clovage knot is. Now it is a very tight knot and it will not slip. See. Now it is ready to be used for the surgery. See, it is not slipping. Now it will be slightly loosened, taken out, and these are the two ends of the suture material of the knot, which will be stretched by the surgeon. From one end, the first end of the sleeve is passed in the second end, and the assistant will keep it stretching up to the satisfaction of the surgeon till the buckle height, what is expected buckle height, and will keep it stretching. And in this stretched position, the surgeon has to hold the two ends of the knot. You will see this. See a hitch is formed and it will slip, and remaining process remains the same with fit or not during the extra 40 band and the surgery is complete. We give also a mattress around hitch so that it doesn't. Now I will give a small demo how this clovage knot is can be given.
ऑडियो